Hello everyone! Today we're going to be doing a nice and easy yoga routine to get ready for bed, so enjoy. Alrighty, we're going to start this routine in easy seat, just kind of mentally arrive at our practice. So deep breath in and out. In and out. Go ahead and keep doing this. Deep breath in and out. Today's theme is all about relaxation. So we just want to relax the body before going to bed. We're going to turn over to tabletop, hands directly underneath our shoulders on our knees. We're going to be doing cat and cow pose. So arch your back, chin all the way to your chest. This is cat pose, deep inhale. On exhale, we're going to bend the spine for cow. Inhale, cat. And exhale, cow. We're going to keep doing this for a couple of breaths. Whenever you inhale, cat, and exhale, cow. If you want, you can add some sound effects. When you're up at cat, you can do a little meow. And when you go to cow, you can do a moo. Whatever you feel like. Alright, one more. Inhale, cat. And exhale, cow. Return back to neutral spine, tabletop. Deep breath in. And exhale, downward facing dog. Lift up your booty in the air. And we're going to lift our right leg in the air. Three-legged dog. Now our right leg is going to go all the way up, right side, right next to our right pinky for a wide lunge. And we're going to repeat that same motion. Lift up your spine, straighten the front leg for cat. And go ahead and dip the back knee for cow. Lift up your spine for cat. And exhale, cow. Continue this. Inhale for cat. Exhale for cow. I feel the stretch in my hip flexors right now. Just keep working it. One more inhale. And exhale. Alrighty, now we're going to take our left leg, make it join our other leg on the outside for Malasana squat. I'm going to turn so you guys can see me this way. So my hands are at prayer. Toes on the outside. Deep breath in and out. One more inhale and exhale. Alright, we're going to take our palms, step back to plank. Lower all the way down to your belly. Relax here for a second. Try your best not to fall asleep. Hopefully you're starting to be relaxed. Alright, now we're going to go up to Cobra. Lift your torso up, almost like you're bending at your lower back, eyes to the sky. Lower all the way back down. Hands flat on the ground. Lift up, go back to downward facing dog. Left leg this time around in the air. Left foot on the outside of your left hand. Extend that back leg. You want it to be straight. And here we go, cat and cow. Lift up, straighten the front leg, cat. And bend down, cow. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. Inhale, meow. And exhale, moo. Inhale. And exhale. Alright, take your right leg and conjoin. On the other side, we're going back to Malasana squat at the top of your mat. And I'll turn so I can look at you guys. Deep breath in. And out. Push your elbows out so your hip flexors widen. Inhale. Step back to downward facing dog. Lower your knees on the ground and we're going down to child's pose. Stretch your arms forward. I'm stretching too much, my shirt's starting to come up. Stretch forward. We go up on your knees. We're going to sit here for a second. Half camel. So go up, all the way up, hands on your back, like you're putting your hands in back pockets. Take your left hand, grab a hold of your left foot, and reach your right hand up to the sky. We want to bend our back backwards, eyes to the sky. My hips and shoulders are squared forward towards the sky. And lift the hips up a little bit more. Deep breath in. And out. One more deep breath in. And out. Alright, lift it back up. Hands back on your lower back. Again, like you're putting them in back pockets. Right hand this time around grabs a hold of your right foot, left hand to the sky. Lift your hips. Reach. Inhale. And exhale. Another deep breath in. And out. One more. Raise back up and lower down. We're going to turn. So now our feet are going to be right in front of us, staff bent knees. We're going to extend our feet all the way out for staff. Push your booty out, make sure your back is up straight. Flex in your ankles. And I want you to focus on a point where you're going to reach forward and grab. Maybe it's your knees, maybe it's your shin, maybe it's your toes, maybe it's your outer foot. Whatever it may be, focus on that spot. Inhale and exhale, fold. Relax your head. Remember, our goal of this practice is to relax our body. So we want no unnecessary pressure on our neck. Just breathe, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in and exhale, return back to staff. Go ahead and bend your knees. And we're gonna lie all the way down on our back. Take your legs, tuck them in, give them a big hug. Deep breath in and exhale. Shavasana. We're just gonna lie here for a couple of seconds and relax. Your goal is to clear your mind and relax your body. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel free to lie here for however long you need to. I hope you feel relaxed, and I hope you have a terrific night's sleep and enjoy the rest of your day.